August 2025 wasn't just another month for the Ethereum network. It was a groundbreaking turning point that left the crypto world in awe. But here's where it gets controversial. While some hailed it as a triumph, others questioned whether this surge was sustainable or merely a fleeting moment of glory. Let's dive into why this month became a defining chapter for Ethereum and what it could mean for the future. As the month drew to a close, Ethereum's achievements were nothing short of remarkable. The network didn't just hit milestones, it shattered records. One of the most striking highlights was its decentralized exchange DEX volume, which skyrocketed past $139 billion. And this is the part most people miss. This wasn't just a new high. It was the highest monthly DEX volume ever recorded in the history of crypto. To put it in perspective, this surge in activity wasn't just about numbers. It was a testament to the growing trust and utility of the Ethereum ecosystem. But what fueled this unprecedented activity? For starters, Ethereum's active addresses surged to over 16 million, a figure that dwarfed any previous monthly record. Transactions also hit an all-time high, exceeding 50 million. This wasn't just a busy month. It was the busiest month Ethereum had ever seen. Here's the kicker. At the heart of this frenzy was a seismic shift in investor sentiment, driven by one major catalyst. Bitcoin, long the undisputed king of crypto, saw its dominance plummet below 60% for the first time in years. Meanwhile, Ethereum's dominance surged, signaling a dramatic shift in focus. Bold claim alert, Ethereum wasn't just catching up. It was outpacing Bitcoin in key areas, from ETF inflows to institutional interest. Wall Street's announcement that it had plans to build on Ethereum further supercharged this momentum, cementing ETH as the go-to blockchain for innovation and investment. By the end of August, Ethereum's liquidity had swelled to over $149 billion, another all-time high. Even as ETH's price faced a 11% dip amid broader market volatility, it still outperformed Bitcoin, which ended the month in the red. Thought-provoking question. Does this mean Ethereum is poised to dethrone Bitcoin as the undisputed leader of crypto? Or is this surge merely a temporary shift in an ever-evolving landscape? What's undeniable is that Ethereum's resilience in the face of market pressure spoke volumes about its underlying strength. Its relative strength index, RSI, remained above 50%, indicating continued bullish sentiment. Meanwhile, institutional adoption continued to rise, with reports of ETH whales accumulating during the dip and even Satoshi-era wallets swapping Bitcoin for Ethereum. Controversial interpretation. Could this be the beginning of a new era where Ethereum leads the charge, leaving Bitcoin to play catch-up? Of course. No discussion of crypto would be complete without addressing the risks. Market manipulation and heavy liquidations remain ever-present threats, especially in a bullish market. Final question for you. As September rolls in, will Ethereum continue its dominance, or will the tides turn once again? Share your thoughts in the comments. Let's spark a debate.